let's go to internal loadings developed in structural members. These are our internal shear and our internal moment. So aside sa atong maximum shears, no, our maximum shear, example, is located on the support. Our maximum moments is located somehow depende sa loadings. No, usually on centers or napuluban on supports. However, throughout the span, naana siya corresponding shear and moment. So, we consider that as our internal loadings. So, sa solving for internal loadings, if we need to identify internal loadings at a specified point in a member, the method of section must be used. So, mo method of section ta, meaning mo cut, no? We cut or we get a section from our structure and it should be perpendicular to the axis of the member. So, pag humana to og cut, so kaning cut section, this will be on the point where we need to identify the internal loadings. So, our internal loadings are in the term of force, shear force, and bending moment. So after ta makahimo og section, we will draw a free body diagram of the cut member. And we isolate it and we will identify internal loadings and we will apply equations of equilibrium on the segment. So in general, internal loadings acting at the section consist of a normal force N, shear force V, and bending moment M. So it should be realized, however, that actually represents the resultant of the stress distribution acting over the member's cross-sectional area of the cut section. So mauna siya, no, based on the definition, is the resultant of the forces sa atong cut section. So, muning itsura when we cut a section. So, this one, kani siya is a whole beam na siya. So, this is a whole beam. So, ang nahitabuan niya is we cut a section ana. So, naa din siya internal moment, shear, and normal force. So, imo ni siyang, so kani siya nga portion is isa ra ni sila ka structure ha, isa ra ni siya ka element. So, pag magbutang taog forces dire, pag ilabay nato sa pikas, mabali na iyang sign para mabalance siya. No, murag yapon sa atong method sa atong paglabay-labay bitaw og forces, ingana gihapon. However, no, we have to identify our signs. So, muna siya on the sign convention. An easy way to remember the sign convention is to isolate a small segment of member and note that the positive normal force tend to elongate the segment. So, ang positive is i-elongate niya ang segment, meaning bira siya pagawas, no? For our normal force. And then, positive shear tends to rotate the segment clockwise. So, ana, clockwise. So, imo na siyang ipabangga pikas-pikas, kay balance man na siya. So, iyang i-rotate, ana, clockwise, ana man na iyang biyo. no? Kung imong tan-aw ng direction of the force. Then the positive bending moment tends to bend the segment concave upward. Maana din siya, no? Unlike kung ang atong assumption is ingana kibali, yang bending pabali, maana siya, no? So dapat ingani ang positive nato. So when we cut section, ingani yung plus star. Ingani siya on the left, ingani siya on the right. Hamon na ito assumption for positive forces. So remember that. So procedure of analysis. So first is you will solve support reactions. Meaning on our given structure, kuhaan una og reaction. The second is mukat na dayon ta og section. So we will cut a section and then we will draw a free body diagram. Free body diagram on the cut section. I-indicate nato so example, mukat tag section sa atong beam. So mahimo ng duha ka part ang atong beam. So ang atong pilion nga segment ana is katong side nga na ay pinaka least number of loads. No, para dali ira i-solve. Kay balance naman po na siya. Paglabay nato sa pikas-pikas is mabalance naman ang value sa shear and moment. No? So at the section, you indicate dayon the unknown resultants of our N, our V, and our M, which is our force, our shear, and our moment. And it should be acting on the positive direction. So kung left part imuhang gamiton, so ingani mo assumption nga direction. Kung right part pod imong pilion, kana imong assumption nga positive. Okay? So after you draw your free body diagram, you will then use equations of equilibrium. So to solve the resultant N, ang atong resultant N man is on x-axis, so summation of x na. Ang atong shear is ana man, di ba? Our V. So you will be using summation of Fy. And our moment is M, is using the equation of moment. No, summation of moments. So ana lang siya. No, to learn a step ha, you get the reaction, you cut the section and you draw the free body diagram. And the third is you use the equations of equilibrium. Ang imong pangitaon ana is the V, which is your shear, and then your moment. No mo nang mugawas sa atong equations of equilibrium. So example, so we have our beam here. Determine the internal shear and moment acting at a section passing through point C in the beam shown in the figure. So our beam is a simply supported beam and 18 feet ang span. It carries a uniform triangular load of 3 kips per feet. Ang pangitaon nato is the internal shear and moment at 6 feet. Kani C. Now, kung inyong tanawon, CC is not separated by 18 or an internal hinge. No? Point lang gid siya. Point lang gid siya somewhere on the beam. Yung pangitaan natong internal shear and moment. So first is you solve the reaction. Saan pag-solve sa reaction? So kuan mo concentrated load, 1/2 base times height, 27 kips. And then, duha ang anon. So you use summation of moment at either A and B para makakuha ka. Kung mag-summation of moment ka sa A, makuha nimo ang B. And then you do summation of forces vertical para makuha nimo si 9 kips. No, kay basi nalimot na mo on solving reaction ba? The process on solving reaction class is also using equations of equilibrium. Amo na yung dumdumon. Kung duha ang anon, gamito ng equation sa moment. No? Para ma-eliminate ang isa. And then summation na dayon of either x and y. We have no x component here kay wala man tay load nga x. So after you get the reaction, you will then cut a section. Unya, point C man ang gipangita. So dili ta mag-cut at point C. No? Butang dayon nato. So atong pilion ani nga side, duha naman. This one or this one. And then it is suggested on the procedure of analysis that you choose the segment of least number of loads. So kani ang pilion nato kaning sa left side. Kay triangle lang man nabilin ana, no? Triangle nga gamay. Unlike aning dako, that is a trapezoidal. So rectangle and triangle nga i-combine. So kani atong pilion ang left side. So you will then put your assumed positive shear moment and the force. So kung left side downward si V, and then counterclockwise C moment. So our NC here is 0. Okay, wala man tay lateral force. So kani atong FBD. So ang atong mahitabuan ni is nagamay na atong triangle. You will solve for this value. Kani pila ni siya using ratio and proportion. Dako nga triangle equals to gamay nga triangle. So that will be 3 kips per feet over 18 feet is equals to W over 6 feet. So that is 18 kips over 18 feet. Mao na ang 1 kip per feet. So 1 din siya. So kuanin mo concentrated load. So you can do summation of y. 1/2 base times height. So 3 kips. And then iyang centroid is on the 1/3. No? On the 1/3, 2/3 ang picas. So now you have your FBD. You have your FBD. So, muna siya ganina, ratio and proportion. So, after FBD, you will apply equations of equilibrium. Muna dayon ni. So, to get the value of your shear, you will use summation of Fy. So, atong summation sa positive on summation of Fy class is upward ha. Lahi ipuding assumption. No? Kay on our internal loadings man ni, nga positive. On the left side, lahi po ang right side. But on the summation of Fy, upward na to positive. So 9 kips minus 3 kips, which is kani, minus your VC equals 0. VC is 6 kips. So at 6 feet on the beam, the shear is 6 kips. So moment dayon. So remember class, dili ka mag-moment at your cut section. Okay? Nga naman, kay kung mag-moment ta diri at our cut section, ma-zero man ni si VC and si NC. Ana, ma-eliminate man ta na. So, ang ano na lang nato is si MC. Okay? Always ta mag-moment on the cut section. So, we will do moment, summation of moment at MC. So, that will be negative 9 multiplied by 6 feet nga moment arm plus 3 kips multiplied by 2 nga moment arm plus the moment at C. Your MC now is 48 kips feet. So, inana siya pag-solve on internal loadings, no? At certain distance on the beam. Tuluray step class, hopefully nga dili ra kayo na siya libog sa inyo ha. No? Solve the reaction again. And then unsa to, cut section, draw FBD, and apply equations of equilibrium. Summation of Y kung shear, summation of moment kung moment. Summation of X kung normal force. Okay? Any question? Any question? Okay, gets it, no? So let's proceed. So shear and moment function in beams. When we say shear and moment function in beams, ang mugawas ani is equation in terms of X. Atong example man sa taas is we are given value like the 6 feet. Dire, is we get to solve the general equation, mahulog na general equation for shear and moment. No, in terms of X is the distance sa imong beam. So kibali mo ni imong beam, no, wala naghatag kung pila ang X. Pwede si X dire, pwede pod si X dira. Ang imong makuha is equation. So regardless pila imong X, makuha nimo si shear kay imong equation kay in terms of X man. Now question, ma'am, nganong ginakuha man nato atong internal shear and internal moment? On designing of beams, usually dili nato ginagamit si kuan. Di nato ginagamit ang internal shear and internal moment. Because on our design is we are using the maximum values. So shear design sa stirrups nato, si shear man natong gamiton, we are determining the maximum, usually located lagi na sa support. Maximum moment for the main reinforcements, usually na sa center. No? Maximum atong gamiton ana para adequate atong design. So asa lugar ni magamit si kuan ma'am, si internal forces. Kani si internal forces, shear and moment is usually used on bridge design. No, mo design ta og bridge. Kay atong bridge man is kasagara moving loads, di ba? Moving loads. So not all parts nga kaagian once moagi ang isa ka sakyanan. No? Ang ihang shear ana dako if dako ang loading on dira nga part kinaay na-apply like giagi ang ligid sa sakyanan. No? So, magamit siya usually on design sa bridges. Ana. So, the process on shear and moment function in beams is also the same lang aning process nato sa taas. No? First is you get the reaction. Galing lang ang imong cut section is in terms of X. No, wala na isukod. You cut the section in terms of X, you draw then the FBD, no? FBD at distance X. And ibutang nimo diha ang shear and moment sa imong cut section. And you will use equations of equilibrium to get the equation of your shear using summation of Y, and you get your equations of moment using summation of moment formula located on the cut section. Excuse me. The resultants can be checked by noting that dV over dx is equals to W and dm over dx is equals to V, where W is positive when it acts upward away from the B. So, ingana siya on shear and moment functions. No? So, let's go to example. So, the procedure is the same ha. Kuwag reaction, cut kag section at distance X, and then you draw the FBD. And then use equations of equilibrium. So, here is our beam. Determine the shear and moment in the beam shown in the figure as a function of X. Alright. So our beam is a cantilever beam. This is a cantilever beam. Na siya. So at function x, this x is located any point in the beam. So 30 feet ang total. So first is you solve the reaction. You can solve the reaction immediately. Kay wala tayo lateral, so no x component. It's just the y and the moment. So mukuha ka og concentrated load, 1/2 base times height. Diba? Base is 30 feet and 1/2. So labay ni mo diha opposite. Located dayon siya at 1/3. 1/3 kani diri 2/3. 2/3. Diba? So after you get the reaction, you cut the section at x. So somewhere dire. So mamili ka unsa nga side imong pilion, either this one or this one. So atong pilion is kaning triangle. Trapezoidal lagi ning pikas. So sa imong cut section, ibutang na dayon nimo ang imong v, which is downward, ang imong moment, which is counterclockwise. Nga naman, because that is our assumed direction. Kung left side, atong assume positive values, on the left side. Okay. Now, naputol man atong triangle na gamay, so mukuha ta og new value of w, no? So that is in terms of x now. So ratio and proportion na gyapon sa class. So 2 kips per feet over 30 feet is equals to w over x. X feet. So that is 2x kips over 30 feet. So that is w. So simplify, that is x over 15 kips per feet. So mao na dayon ni siya. Mao ni atong concentrated load on the right side of the triangle. Kay 0 man sa pikas. Then you get the concentrated load, 1/2 base times height. So 1/2 base nga x, height nga x over 15. Then you have your reaction here. Yung location sa centroid is x over 3. Kay 1/3 ang triangle. So you have now your FBD. You have now your FBD. Then you can solve now the shear using summation of Fy. So positive upward is equals to 0. So 30, which is positive upward, minus kani 1/2 x over 15x minus the v. So your v, so ang atong makuha again class ha is the equation of our shear. So our equation of our shear is 30 minus 0.033x squared. So that is the equation of the shear. So kung pangitaan ka og value of shear, so shear, example, at 15 feet, shear at 15 feet, you can solve using equation 30 minus 0.0333x squared. Imo lang siyang i-substitute. 30 minus 0.0333 15 feet squared. You have now your value of shear. Pila man siya? No? 30. Pila na? Minus 0.0333 15 squared. Okay, so your shear is 22.5075 kips at 15 feet. So ang gigawas man nga value is positive, meaning the direction is downward. Positive. Okay, mo man yatong gi-assume. Downward na. no? So masolve nimo ang value of your shear at any span of the beam because you have now your equation sa shear. No? Now you solve moment using moment equation, summation of moment, but dili gid ta mag-moment ha on our cut section. No? Dili ta mag-moment. So that will be 600 minus 30 kips x nga moment arm plus kani siya 1/2 x over 15x x over 3 nga moment arm plus the moment. The equation of our moment is negative 600 plus 30x minus 0.0111 x cubed. So if you are going to solve moment at 15 feet, makasolve ka, mo lang siyang i-substitute. So negative 600 plus 30 multiplied by 15 minus 0.0111 15 cubed. So now your moment is pila? Negative 600 30 Ang mugawas is negative 187.4625 kips feet. So ang atong assumption man diri is counterclockwise. So that is positive 187.4625 kips per feet clockwise na. Para positive. So ana lang siya. You can solve the shear at any point of the beam because you now have your equation. So any question? Any question? So same nagyan po ng process, but the distance is in terms of x. No? So let's have a last example. So last example, maura gyapon. Determine the shear and moment in the beam shown in the figure as a function of x. So trapezoidal ang load, meaning ikat nato ni siya isa ka rectangle, isa ka triangle. So kuha ka og reaction. So kuan mo concentrated si rectangle, kuan mo concentrated si triangle. Ibutang nimo ang centroid. Centroid sa rectangle is 1/2, centroid sa triangle is 1/3. So after that is you cut a section. You cut a section in terms of x. So any point. So dirita. So ang i-apply diri is ang kaning concentrated load ha. So atong pilion here is kaning left side yapon. Kaning left side. Although trapezoidal, pero gamay siya. Gamay value. So mukuha na po din ka og component ani imuhang gamay nga rectangle and gamay nga triangle. Dili problem ang rectangle. Kay kung 10 kilonewton ni siya, iyang height 10 kilonewton per meter, ragyod na siya throughout the span. So kaning rectangle is 10 kilonewton per meter ragyapon. Kaning triangle na kaning triangle lang. Kailangan mo kuha ta og value ana. So ratio and proportion 20 kilonewton per meter over 9 meters is equals to the new W x meter. So that will be 20 kilonewton x over 9 meters. So mao nang nahitabo nga 20 x over 9 kilonewton per meter. So mo ni iyang height dire. So kuan nimo siya og concentrated so that you can do summation of y. So at rectangle located at the center, base times height, so 10x over 10 multiplied by x. Kani triangle 1/2 base times height, so 1/2 base nga x, height nga 20 x over 9 kilonewton meter. So kana muna tong FBD. No? So you put shear and moment at the cut section. Left side man ta, so V downward, counter CM. No? So plus star na tong FBD, we can solve summation of Y and summation of moment. Summation of Y, we can solve the shear. So positive 75 kilonewton minus 10x minus 1/2 20 x over 9 x minus the V. The equation of your V is 75 minus 10x minus 1.11x squared. So, kung anong equation sa imong moment, that is negative. Imong assumption is counter clockwise. So, this will be negative 75 kilonewton x plus 10x. Yung moment arm is x over 2 plus kaning 1/2 20 x over 9x. Yung moment arm is x over 3 plus positive moment, which is this one. Dito mag-moment man, no, at cut section, denoted as m sub s. So the equation of your moment is 75x minus 5x squared minus 0.70x cubed. So lahi-lahi ang equation, no? Depende on the loading. But you can solve the value of shear and moment of your internal, no? Distance internally sa atong beam, within the beam, using the equation. In terms of x man na siya. So that's it for my discussion. All right, question. Cantago, what's your question?
Yes. Pwede gamitin nga equation ma'am kanang sa equation of equilibrium kanang di na siya kailangan i-simplify ma'am. Pwede ra na siya. Like i-shift solve ang pag-given ng basin ma'am ba na complicated dito kay nga taas kayo tapos
basin mamali pag simplify.
Sayop ma'am ba.
Paning kamuti lang sa simplify. Pwede siguro dili decimal. Pwede na pud in terms of fraction. Pwede na matanawon kung tanawon ni man siya, imbra man ning mausa kay ma-x cube gina siya kay tulo naman ka x, multiplication man ang equation. Diba? Ma-x cube gina siya. So kana pwede ni mo ni siya himuong fraction lang para dali ira. No? I-try lang, pero gadudag yung ka, i-simplify lagi. I-practice mag-simplify. Makaya lang nag-simplify.
Pero same magyapon sila ganun, di ba na, ma'am?
O same na mag-answer. O same na mag-answer kung i-simplify ni mo or dili. Taas-taas lang imong process sa pag kung siya tawag ana. Substitute, no? Kaya daghan pa ka i-input. Ang atong purpose man is makaano ta, simplified formula man ta. No? Sa ingani. Pero kung imo ni siyang input calcu, mahimo ni siyang 75x minus 5x squared minus 10 over 27x cubed man na siya. Ana. Input lang nimo ni sa calcu, si 1/2, si 20, si 1 over 9, and then si 1/3. I-multiplication lang man na. Matagaan na yung pag-fraction nga value. Okay?
Thank you, ma'am.
Muna lang siya. And, usually class, ingali na gid ang process. So, ito yung question. Ma'am, ngano gani na ay x sa 1/2 20x. Ang ano na ay 1/2. So meaning diri no kani no your question kani kuan ni siya, you get the concentrated load man. Concentrated load na sa triangle, balik ta diri taas ha. Ang equation man sa atong concentrated load sa triangle is 1/2 base times height man. 1/2 base times height, diba? Your base is x, total man eh. Total x man eh. Your height is this one. No, in terms of x. Kunang tanawon gid ninyo kay kuti man siya kung in terms of equation good. So 1/2, your base is 20 x over 9, diba? Which is this one, your base. Your height, this is your height. No? Your base now is x. Eh, wala man tayo span. Busa siya na x. No? Kaya atong span is in terms of x man. No? For triangle. Kung rectangle is base times height ra. Your base is x and your height is 10 kilonewton per meter. Munang 10x siya. Gets? Na-gets ra? Nag-question. The piton, okay, very good, na-gets ra. So, ingana, regardless sa loading class, the process is the same. Mukuha ka og reaction, mukat ka og section in terms of x, you draw the FBD, and then you get the summation of y and summation of x. And ang isa lang ani is, you need to study this class and inyong sabton kay lisod na ba ni siya nga concept? No? Kung dili ninyo siya ingkuran o dili ninyo siya sabton, kuan siya, kanang lisod sa i-absorb. No? Labaw nag in terms of x, yun siya in terms of wala tayong mga value. So I suggest na you solve this again sa kani akong mga example. No? And matong ginaingon lagi sa inyo, ang concept is maura. No? Like pagkuha sa reaction, pag method of joints, either kung duha ang unknown, summation of moment, kung isang unknown, summation of x and y. No? Same ra gid gyapon ni dire. Mukat mo kuha kag reaction, make sure nga correct ang reaction. Cut kag section in terms of x, during ang FBD, and then summation of y and summation of moment. Makakuha kag equation sa shear and moment ani. Okay? So, ana lang. And our next topic is influence line. Same application, pero unit load lang atong gamiton. So, dapat maano ni siya, masabtan ang concept on internal forces, internal shear, and internal moment. Okay? So, mo lang na for today. Di lang ko maghatag og problem set next week na. Okay, magsige na lang mo problem set. Say question.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Mm.
Napay next topic ani ma'am or last topic na ni ma'am?
Oo, napay next topic. Kailangan din ko magdali kinapay next topic. Napay influence line and then deflection. Deflection. Taas-taas ang coverage for kuan, midterm. Yes. Sige, question pa. Ortizano.
Ay, kuhan, ma'am ba? Magkano sa ding final nga schedule sa midterm, ma'am? Panalit ng second week sa October daw, ma'am?
Oo. 14 to 16 ang SEA. October 14 to 16. So, we have still time to discuss. Napatay 2 weeks. Yes, Nathaniel.
Ay, ma'am, ang katong deflection ma'am is malang double integration ma'am.
Double integration, moment area. Mana siya? Lisod na ba na, no? Kulang yun kayo yung orasan is midterm exam pa. Sige lang, I'll find ways nga sayo na gid din yung masabtan. No. Oo. Moment area ang pinakasayon nga process actually. Kaysa sa double integration. Hala, video skip na lang ta. Na. Muna tong last topic for midterm. Okay. So, I'll check lang attendance di. Determinate pa man noon. Reflection on determinate din. Ma'am, mag-quiz 3 pa man, ma'am ba? Di na unta ko magpa-quiz 3. Kaya mo discuss lang yun ko. So, muna unta to atong last quiz. No? Problem set lang akong ihatag. So, nasiguro yung problem set nga i-consider na ako as quiz para mo dako inyong grado. Given, nga correct inyong answer sa inyong problem set. Diba? Yung wrong gani ay. So, say present ha. If your name is called Alngog Amulato.
Present, ma'am.
Anyabeza.
Present, ma'am.
Apal.
Present, ma'am.
Aparece.
Present, ma'am.
Asis.
Present po, ma'am.
Bersero.